Hey guys, this is Zach Kerber, co-founder of Contracts Connected, and today I wanted to show you guys a new feature release that we have around optional, what we call reoccurrence. Now, the whole AI bot system is already generating the contract package, filling in your guys' exact templates as far as a subcontract purchase or whatever it is, collecting W-9s, certificates of insurance, all that kind of stuff. But what about when they start on work and it's not a required document? In the past, I showed you a feature that was really focused around required weekly documents like weekly certified payroll or daily reports. But what if there is a document that you want to collect on a regular basis once a contractor starts on site, but it's not always required? So I'm going to use invoices for this example. But, if I'm a contractor working for you, maybe I don't have an invoice for you for 2 of the months, or maybe I'm going to invoice you at the end. Now, when the system, the AI bots are, trying to track down what documents you guys need, it's going to actually say things are overdue. But you don't want to say something's overdue if it's optional for them to submit. You still want to give them a very, very controlled place to submit these things for you that is automatically going to track these things, store these things, file them away, and give you the ability to approve or reject them. So you still want to give them a place to submit them. But if it's not required, how it looks like when they click on their invoice in their subcontractor portal, they're going to be taken to the screen. And you can see a work start date and a work end date here. I can also see a history of all of the previous invoices that have been submitted by this vendor that have been approved. But if a vendor wants to submit things, you can see there's two periods here that they didn't submit for. So if I select a period here, I'm going to be able to say which period I'm selecting, upload a file here, and then I'm going to be able to submit it. So I'm just going to open a file here, submit, and you'll see that that is now showing complete. So if this was submitted, it would go pending approval. You'd be able to hit approve or reject. In this instance here, I submitted it as the GC. So let's say I got it emailed, but I still want to use Contracts Connected to file these documents away from me, store them, and then be able to access them in a very structured way with perfect naming strategy around here. So here you can see the invoice I submitted. It's been completed because it was approved automatically since I, the GC, uploaded it, but the dates are connected. The full file name is there. So if I need to get this off to our accounting department, or I need to get this off to, the owner that we're building for, I can always filter by searching and then bulk action download these things, and it will zip it up into a zip file with all of my documents perfectly named. So that's a little bit about the subcontractor being able to submit optional documents here. But this is also going to be tracking these things on your dashboard. So I submitted 4 different subcontracts that have yet to be signed by this vendor for this project. And I can also see all the outstanding things, whether it's daily reports or weekly certified payroll. Now, if the vendor had submitted this to me, I would be able to see that invoice here. I would be able to click this link to click it and open it. I just have like a placeholder, savings calculator result here for somebody we were doing a demo for. But you'd be able to approve it and it would get filed away and completed, or reject it. If I reject it, I get to tell them why. And these AI bots will chase that document down, reminding your vendors on a weekly basis that you're waiting for them for that document you have rejected. So again, this is another step forward into being the one place, the one centralized command center between you and your vendors for all things paperwork. You'll never have to email a PDF. You'll never have to download an attachment. You'll never have to upload an attachment to a subfolder somewhere. This system's doing everything for you. So after you send the contract, all you're simply doing is hitting approve or reject, and the system is doing everything else: the e-signatures, the filing away, the storing, the chasing it down from the vendors that didn't submit it last week. And it is going to continue to evolve until we have a fully autonomous back office here, powered 100% by AI intelligence. We are going that way very, very quickly, and we have some really exciting stuff I'll be releasing in the coming weeks Thanks for watching, as always, and feel free to let me know if you'd like any more details on anything that I talked about in today's video. Thanks.